If you are a master or manager user, you can invite others to join your Yellow Tokens account. Let's see how to do that. Click the person icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, select Manage Users. You'll be taken to a page showing all users on the account. To add someone new, click the plus Add User button. In the form, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Then, choose the user profile, Manager or Standard. If you choose the Manager profile, the user will be able to view all custom projects and ready-made projects from the store. They will also be able to edit any custom project. If you choose the Standard profile, you will define which projects they can view or edit. You must allow access to at least one project in order to complete the invitation. Once everything is set, click Finish and Save. The person will receive an email with an invitation to join your Yellow Tokens account, along with instructions to register and log in.